Title of my topic is Prediction of the Potential Health Complications Using Data Analytics. My name is Rishikesh Joshi. My student ID is 219588468. As we all know that prevention is always better than cure, yet many people die due to the diseases which could be prevented or the damage done by them could be minimized. So how my algorithm will help to prevent the diseases or minimize their complications. Take example of cardiovascular disease, which is the leading factor of death in today's era, which could be prevented with having the prior knowledge of one's health. Take another example of cancer. It might not be possible to get completely rid of it, but the risk of its occurrence could be minimized if we have the prior knowledge of one's immune system or one's organs, which could be possible if we analyze one's health parameters carefully. So how my algorithm will basically work? My algorithm will take input as health parameters such as one's health condition, if he had any previous diseases, his CBC or his cholesterol levels, his stress levels, his sugar levels, his smoking and drinking factors, his age, height, if he had any MRIs or exposure to radiation in the past, or if he had any serious complication in the past. And these factors will be analyzed carefully with the models and techniques used in data science to analyze the relationship between multiple systems such as immune system, cardiovascular system, how they react to each other, how one's immune system works, how good is one's cardiovascular system, and the conclusions will be drawn based on knowledge which is derived from the careful analysis of the data. The health parameters will be taken as inputs and then the data will be cleaned and transformed for the algorithm, and then in the algorithm the analysis of major systems such as immune system, cardiovascular system will be done based on the input parameters, and the two reports would be generated like analysis of the health and probability of the possible complications, and based on the two reports the final conclusion would be drawn. It also has great business value such as it is easier to manage large amount of records as well as it gives more accurate diagnostic which saves unnecessary cost. My system predicts and prevents the occurrence of health complications before they become serious. It also helps to minimize the further complications of the current disease. Also, it helps to analyze the individual health. Unlike the many symptom checker tools or many AI diagnostic tools which analyzes based on the symptoms, my system takes health parameters rather than symptoms because diseases might show different symptoms on different people. One of the major disadvantages, since the human body is a very complex system, health parameters usually change, they continuously change, so it is impossible to predict one with 100% accuracy, but the risk factor and the chances of potential complications could be drawn.